Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook. Secure account access step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook.com in a trusted web browser on your computer. Check that the web address is exactly Facebook.com and that you see the lock icon if you're using a browser. Avoid clicking login links from emails, ads, or unknown messages to reduce phishing risk. If you are on a shared or public device, switch to a private or incognito window before you start. On the login screen, click or tap the email or phone field. Type the email address or phone number that is connected to your Facebook account. Click or tap the password field. Enter your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not accidentally turned on. If you are in a public place, keep your screen hidden and never share your password with anyone. Only use the Remember Me option on a personal device that you control. Click or tap the login button. If Facebook asks for a verification code, choose the method you can access, such as SMS or an authentication app. Enter the verification code exactly as received and submit it to continue. If you do not receive a code, check your phone signal, spam messages, or try the resend option. If you see an alert about an unfamiliar login, select This was me only if you recognize the device and location. If you do not recognize the login attempt, select Secure your account and follow the on-screen steps. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login page. Choose to recover your account with your email or phone number and proceed. Create a new strong password that is long and unique and do not reuse old passwords. After logging in, open Settings and Privacy from the menu. Go to Account Center or Password and Security, depending on your device. Turn on two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Review where you're logged in and log out of any device you do not recognize. Set up login alerts so Facebook notifies you when your account is accessed from a new device. Update your recovery email and phone number so you can regain access if needed. Avoid saving your password in unknown apps and do not log in on devices you do not trust. If you use a browser, consider using a reputable password manager to store your login safely. Always log out when you finish using Facebook on shared devices to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.